Hello again, this is Ryan Starr from the Rabbit Canadian YouTube channel, and today we are scrapping out a vTech home phone system. We currently just shut off our home phones. We don't need this, we're just using our cell phones now, so I figured I'd scrap it out. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the handsets. Set this aside. I've already started opening it. Took out the screws. This should go by pretty quick. Plastic goes in your plastic pile. Okay, and this is the board we get out of that. I will do a close-up view of this a little bit later, and I'll use my phone, see if I can get a little bit better resolution. Okay, I got a little speaker in here, you can just pop that out. Okay, now this, because I've already taken out the screws, see if we can get into it. Just generally have to go in between the seam and this we got just plastic. Okay. So we got some screws. Screws in here. Let's take this part a little bit more. Almost done here. Plastic. It should be the keypad board. Plastic. More plastic. let's see if we can get a little bit closer look at this with my phone. The phone I'm going to be using is my Frankenstein smartphone. I'm using a mouse with it because my screen is cracked and it's like $150 to get it fixed, and I can't afford it right now. So I'm got Frankenstein together. I'm going to see if I can get some better shots with the camera on the boards here and get you a little clearer view. Yeah, so let's give this a shot. Okay, so here we got the boards. We'll start with this board. Okay, so right off the bat you can see these little circles here. Those are all gold plated. You got a little MRCC down there. You got the little crystal oscillator, little chip. Again, some more gold plating down there. Possibly some gold plating behind there. Again, all around it is gold plating. Again, all around. Okay, some of this might be very faintly gold plated. You got a little chip there, which will have possibly some gold or silver in it. And all these contacts will have gold plating. You can basically populate this board, take off everything you don't need. A little crystal oscillator. All those little gold points in there are gold plated. And outside the outskirts of the board you also see gold plating as well. On this board you don't have. Okay, so on this board you don't have a whole lot. Get some gold plating there. Little chips here, little ICs. Possibly has a little bit of gold plating in there. Again, with this little flat pack, and the outskirts of this seem to be very faintly gold plated. Possibly has some gold plating underneath there. This crystal oscillator may also have gold plating, or sorry, gold or silver in it. Possibly some gold underneath there. And there's two little wires in there are gold plated as well. Along with, on this side you got where the keypad was. If you take this off, there may be silver underneath there, but like I said, I don't know. We'll see at a later date when I process the boards that I have like this to see what's underneath there. Basically, you have to soak them in lime, and it will eat away at this masking on the board. Okay, so that is the scrapping of a vTech home phone. Pretty quick. A little bit of gold content in there, plus probably some silver as well. Again, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Please subscribe. We've got some more interesting things coming up quite shortly. It's not all going to be scrapping. My next project will probably be the mini melting furnace, which will be coal powered at first and upgrade to an actual propane burner. And the other one will be a little mini aquaponics setup, and then after that I will start planning a larger one. Again, thanks for watching the Robert Canadian YouTube channel, and you have a great day.